Japanese government has a new service for entering Japan. It's called visitjapanweb, online service for quarantine, immigration, and custom procedure. Before boarding flight to Japan, Step 0, create account login. Step 1, register user information. Step 2, register arrival schedule. Step 3, register required information on arrival procedure. And Step 4, show QR code on the screen at each procedure. So, you can use QR code or go to this URL. First of all, sign up for a new account. I have already signed up. Your details. Do you have a passport issued by Japanese government? No. Will you enter Japan? A special re-entry permission? No. Next. Surname, given name, date of birth, nationality, gender, passport number. Confirm passport number. Next. Confirm entered details. If OK, register. If you have details of family member traveling with you, click here and add. Do you have a passport issued by Japanese government? No. Next. And surname, given name, date of birth, nationality, gender, passport number. Next. And also register planned entry return. And preparation for quarantine is called fast track. First, you have to upload the image of passport and questionnaire web, also vaccination certificate or test result certificate for test taken less than 72 hours before departure. And preparation for customs declaration. Passport number, occupation, date of arrival in Japan, flight number, point of embarkation, New York. If you come from New York, next. Number of family members traveling with you. If you are alone, next. Address in Japan, postal code, prefecture, city, address, hotel name, and phone number. So, are you bringing the following into Japan? No, next. No, next. No, next. No, next. No, next. And no, next. If it is OK, register. Preparation immigration clearance. Purpose visit, tourism. Postal code, prefecture, city name, address, hotel name, phone number, and confirmation registration. So have a safety trip and please enjoy Japan. Thank you.